So hello friends, I am Dr. Sona and I am back here live, and there was an internet problem, so I had to just come back, switch it off and come back again with my data on. So today is my COVID lesson date 12. It's the COVID lesson 12. All the archives of my COVID lessons are on my YouTube channel, so if you like it you can always go there and have a look at them. Friends, I started this COVID lessons because COVID-19, as you know, is a viral infection, and it has come to us and it's come to us with a lot of it has come to us as a good teacher, and it is creating a lot of havoc all around the world. So but the negative part of it is it's very toxic, it's very virulent, but the positive part of it is that it's preventable. Infection or any sort of disease from COVID-19 is preventable. So preventive measures are very important. And what are those preventive measures? Those preventive measures, as you know, are a good hand wash, because hand wash with alcohol based hand wash or a soap hand wash wipes away all the viruses on your hands. A mask on your face, so that viruses in the air don't travel into your respiratory tract or through your mouth, because it enters the mucous surface. And of course, the mask is there that you don't let go of the viruses outside. If you are in any way infected, or if the other person is infected, it doesn't come back to you from the air. So these masks are very important. And of course, social isolation, stay 2 meters away from people so that those fomites don't come to you. And of course, if they are having any symptoms of cough, sneezing or fever or body aches, take them to a doctor, isolate them. And having said that, don't touch your hands repeatedly with your mouth and face, because these fomites, they wherever you touch them, like when a person sneezes or coughs and is infected, so these viruses come, they are in a huge load, so they come out into the air and they settle down, and whenever you touch them, they come onto your hands, and when you touch your mouth, they go into your nose and nostrils. So having said that, I always take 2 minutes to teach you about prevention of COVID-19. The vaccines and the medicines are being made. It will take time. In the meantime, we have to boost up our immunity, so that if and when that virus enters our body is strong enough. It has a strong resilience and a strong immunity to fight it and to finish it. So I have to go back to my immunity lesson video. I have taken it up. It's in my archives on my YouTube channel. Build up your immunity. That's all you can do, and take a lot of preventive measures. If you're going out, take a lot of always wear a mask, because you don't want infected viruses to come into your nose, and it will continue. And make it a habit now, because this is there to stay. Because as I said yesterday, that the reality is going to be different from what it has been. So the sooner and the better and the more quickly you adjust to the reality, which is a different reality from what you have been seen till now, the better it is for you, right? So having said that, let me introduce you. I'm Dr. Sona, as you know. I'm a neuropsychologist. I'm a professor of biochemistry. I'm a doctor by profession, and a psychologist by passion. And I do a lot of counselings of children, of parents, of stress, anxiety, depression, behavioral problems, whatever. I mean, psychology is the need of the hour, and everybody needs it. And when I speak to you, I need it the most, and so when it comes out, I get it the most. So it's a refreshing course for each one of us. So today, as you know, I've started this topic of this COVID lessons, because COVID-19 is an infection. It's very bad. It's infecting us. We have to prevent. But it's also teaching us good lessons. And those good lessons will be our lessons lifelong. So I've taken up most of them. They are in my archives. Today I want to take up that these children who are at home and who are doing these online classes, so parenting them and parenting a child as such, and especially in this time of crisis, is the need of the hour. So we better be aware what we are doing, because at times, even when there were times before pre-COVID times also, parenting was a big issue, because parents were trying their best to overparent and to be good parents, and they were creating more damage than good. But today the crisis has doubled, because those very children and those very parents are into their homes with their homeworks and their work, staying together, which they have never known to stay together for so long, for such long periods at an end. So you need empowered children. You need empowered children. That is what parenting is all about. But to empower children, you need to be an empowered parent yourself, a conscious parent, a spiritual parent, call it whatever you may. But the need of the hour is parenting is a big challenge today. And just let me go through these tips. I had taken up this topic because many people, because 90% of my problems, people have problems of their children, of the calls which we have on our helpline and on our daily basis. So I wanted to take this up, but then suddenly it came out in the news that the lockdown has been increased. So all the more important that you learn how to parent your children, because the lockdown has been increased. So we are going to be there with each other for more till the 17th of May. And of course, now let me tell you, friends, that parenting is a science. Don't think it's something natural. It's not something natural. It doesn't come natural. It's a science. It has to be learned. It has to be cultivated. It has to be improved. And nobody is perfect, and everybody is learning and improving day by day. Number two, don't feel guilty that whatever you have done is bad parenting, or whatever is being told to you now by me or by someone else, and you did not do that previously, so you were a bad parent or you are a bad parent. Don't ever go into guilt, because parents are the best friends of children. No parent is ever bad. No parent ever wishes ill of the child. The way they parent the child is different, because they parent a child usually the way they have been brought up by their parents. So it's an inbuilt thing and it carries on. But today, in these challenging times, it has to be known that it's a skill, and like you are improving all your other soft skills and your other skills, likewise you need to improve your parenting skills too, and the sooner you do it, the better. So having said that, let me tell you, the first important thing for you to realize today is that children, what I feel is, my experiences as a parent was, I was feeling that I'm totally in charge of my child. I mean, I can make him or break him. I mean, everything, his future, his destiny, everything is in my hands. So I have to work very hard, to make him what he has to be. That of course is there to a certain extent. Parents are all trying their best to help their children, but we have to understand at the end of the day, which I realize now, but I wish somebody had told it to me previously when my children were growing up. So you're lucky parents that you're getting all this now, that it's very important to realize that to have spirituality with you, because children are born from us, of course. So we are their guardians, we are their caretakers, we are there to guide them. But we don't wholly possess them, or we are not in control of them. They as children, when they are very small, when they are toddlers, and then they gradually grow up to childhood stage, 6, 7, 8 years, they are going to follow you as parents. They are going to follow you all around. So you have to look after them, their needs, their basic primary needs and their other needs. You have to look after them because you have born them. But you have to also remember that as they grow up, they develop their own thoughts and their own perceptions, and they are a different being altogether. So you cannot control anyone, any child or anyone. You can tell them, but ultimately you have to leave the decision on to them, age appropriate. As I said, so 8, 9, 10, 11 years, they need a lot of care and help. But later on, of course, they need a lot of guidance also, and you have to tell them कि सही क्या है, गलत क्या है, आपको बताना ये सब कुछ. लेकिन ग्रेजुअली वो अपनी सोच जब उनकी डेवलप होती है, जैसे जैसे वो प्री प्यूबर्टी में आते हैं, एंड दे डेवलप देयर ओन थिंकिंग एंड देयर ओन थॉट्स एंड देयर ओन परसेप्शंस, यू हैव टू बी देयर एज अ फ्रेंड एंड एज अ गाइड टू देम. As a friend means children are having a lot of friends. They are going to have too many friends. A parent can never be a friend. You should not be a friend, because a friend is at par with the child. You can't be at par. You are there, you are a parent, age wise also, experience wise also, and as a teacher also. But you can be a friendly parent. You can be a friendly parent means you can say whatever you have to say in a friendly way, and you should be such a parent that a child feels ready to come to you if he is in any problem. It has been seen that many children fall into many bad times, lot peer pressure, they may be into, addictions, maladaptive copings, they may be into a lot of stress, they may be having, as I said, bad peer pressure, or whatever other violence they may be facing, whatever they are having. A child should always know that at the end of the day, he has you to come back, he has his parents to come back to, and they're always there with him. So if he knows that you're there with him and you will never tell him कि हाँ तुम्हें ये बोला था ना, तुमने मेरी बात नहीं सुनी, you didn't listen to me, so this has happened. So if you don't get back to him with those nasty comments, he'll always come back to you at his time of need, and that is the role of a parent. That bonding should be there. The problem today is parenting is such a vast chapter, and I'm into halfway into writing this book of mine on parenting, which is known as Empowered Parenting. So I would like you all, once it's out, please have a look at it. It's going to take all these points into consideration with stories of what calls I'm getting and what things parents are going through. What I want to tell you is that so many things, if you have any queries, you can put them to me. So I'm having a lot of friends around. Dinesh ji, welcome. And Anand ji is there. And of course, Parul is there. Welcome everyone. So if you have any queries, put them into the comment box. I'll answer them now or maybe later, or message them to me. What I want to tell you is, why does a child go into peer pressure? First of all, let me tell you that. दोस्तों के साथ बोलता रहता है, दोस्तों के साथ बात करता रहता है. अरे भाई, अगर आपका बच्चा दोस्तों के साथ बात नहीं करेगा, गुमसुम चुपचाप बैठा रहेगा, would you like that? Then you'll come to me and you'll tell me कि बोलता नहीं है. So it's important and it's very good that he's talking to his friends and he's with his friends. It's a part of his growing age. So support him to be with his friends. Now, what sort of friends he is with and what is he doing with them in his teenage years or pre-teenage years, that you have to look out. So, like Krishna in Mahabharata, Lord Krishna was there, Rath pe बैठे थे. He was there with Arjun, और वो अर्जुन के ऊपर बम्बार्ड नहीं कर रहे थे, ये कर, वो कर, इसको मार, इसको. नो, he was there, standing there, very subtly, very quietly guiding him and telling him what is right and what is wrong. That is your role. आपका रोल एक गाइड की तरह है, एक मेंटोर की तरह है, एक फ्रेंडली गाइड की तरह है, जो आप अपने बच्चों को एज अप्रोप्रिएट, अगेन देखिए, जो आप 4 साल के बच्चे के साथ बिहेव करोगे और जो 8 साल के बच्चे के साथ, फिर 12 साल और फिर टीनेज बच्चे के साथ डिफरेंट वे ऑफ पेरेंटिंग है. तभी मैंने कहा कि पेरेंटिंग इज अ स्किल, it's an science, it's an art. The more you learn about it, the richer you'll get. So don't think you're perfect, because even no one is perfect in parenting. You only learn it and then from your mistakes, and you'll make lesser mistakes if you are aware and if you have read and if you are knowledgeable and if you have wisdom. So what I want to tell you is कि बच्चे को बात करने दो, लेकिन कितनी बात करनी है, कितनी देर करनी है, और किन दोस्तों के साथ वो जा रहा है, कि बी ऑन द लुक आउट ऑफ दैट एंड टेल हिम व्हाट इज राइट और रॉन्ग. देखिए, लॉट मेनी पेरेंट्स टेल मी कि राइट और रॉन्ग. I'll just tell you these few tips about parenting as such in general, and then last में मैं आपको थोड़ा सा बताऊंगी कि जो आजकल सिनेरियो है क्राइसिस में, ये जो हम लोग क्वारंटाइन पीरियड लॉकडाउन में बंद है, इसमें बच्चों को क्या प्रॉब्लम्स आ रही है, व्हाट आर द प्रॉब्लम दिस चिल्ड्रन आर फेसिंग इन दिस आइसोलेशन एंड इन लॉकडाउन, एंड हाउ यू हैव टू टैकल दैट, बिकॉज दैट इज अ लिटिल डिफरेंट फ्रॉम super added with more problems from what the normal problems are. So what I want to tell you is that as I said that so just keep telling the child what is right or wrong according, that, and also remember that it's your perception and it's your knowledge and it's you who's deciding that is right or wrong. So you tell that to him that according to me this is right and this is wrong and this should be done like this, and leave it. अब वो करे ना करे वो आपके हाथ में नहीं है. अगर उसने उस चीज़ को नहीं किया और उसके पीछे पड़े रहे और उसने उस चीज़ को नहीं किया और फिर आप स्ट्रेस में चले गए, तो आप एम्पावर्ड पेरेंट नहीं हो. दैट इज माई बुक अबाउट एम्पावर्ड पेरेंट्स, दैट यू शुड नो वेयर टू ड्रॉ द लाइन, हाउ मच टू बी, because you yourself are a person first, so you have to be in love with yourself first. If you are a calm, quiet, happy parent, only then can you parent your child happily and empower him. So पहले तो अपने को शांत रखना है, आपको इरिटेट गुस्से में नहीं होना है. अगर if you find that the child is not listening to you, again tell him. Don't force him. Don't force him. Be like Lord Krishna. बोलते थे, उन्होंने कभी फोर्स नहीं किया अर्जुन को. So you are a guide. आप सारथी हैं, आप उसके मालिक नहीं हैं बच्चे के. ये बात बहुत ज़रूरी है जानना. हम बच्चों के मालिक नहीं होते, हम उनके चैरिटियर्स होते हैं. हम उनके वी आर देयर टू टेक देम अलोंग, टेलिंग देम व्हाट इज़ राइट और रॉन्ग एंड लेटिंग देम लर्न फ्रॉम देयर मिस्टेक्स. अगर बच्चा गलती करेगा ही नहीं तो सीखेगा क्या? और गलती मिस्टेक्स आर मेड ओनली बाय दोज चिल्ड्रन who are doing something, who are achieving something, who are planning something. A child who's not doing anything, who's not achieving anything, who's not trying to achieve anything will never make a mistake. वो static है. तो अगर आप static हो तो nothing, you have to be in kinetic energy to make a mistake. So let them, the mistakes are their learning experiences, the topic which I took up yesterday, कि your experiences are your treasures, are your possessions, not your materialistic things. So बच्चे ने 10th अचीव कर ली with 90% marks. A grade is not an achievement as big as the achievement which he has achieved learning through that stage of 10th. कितना उसने उसमें problems face करी. He met so many challenges, he met so many friends, and he had so many problems in the class with the teachers, interactive, behavioral, emotional, whatever. That was learning experience for him. That is a treasure that will take him later on into his life also. So let your child experience things. Keep telling him what is right and wrong. कब तक मैम कब तक बताएंगे? एक बार बताया, 2 बार बताया, 3 बार बताया, आप हमेशा बताएंगे. आप पेरेंट हैं, पेरेंट आप बने हैं, तो आप बच्चा ही है आपके लिए. आप उसे 1 बार बताएंगे, 2 बार बताएंगे, 10 बार बताएंगे. बताना आपका काम है. करे ना करे, whether he does it or not, whether he follows you or not, is not in your hands. So hello, welcome Yogesh ji, Ajay, welcome, and Singh sir, welcome. So whether he does it or not is not in your hands, right? उसको तो नॉट इन योर हैंड्स. तो पेरेंट्स कहते हैं मैम इतनी बड़ी बात बोली थी कि ये मत करो, उसने फिर कर दिया और मेरे हाथ में कुछ है ही नहीं. मतलब देन व्हाट सॉर्ट ऑफ पेरेंट आई एम? यू आर अ वेरी नाइस पेरेंट, यू आर अ गुड पेरेंट, बिकॉज यू हैव टोल्ड हिम नॉट टू डू दैट and he hasn't and even if he has done it, he has learned from it. Again you will tell him not to do it, and you will tell him not to repeat the mistake, and gradually, let me tell you, it won't happen many times, 2-3 बार में, that as soon as the child realizes that whatever is being told for his good, उसमें उसका फायदा है. और वो कम्युनिकेशन स्किल आपको डेवलप करनी है कि वो उसको लगे कि उसका फायदा है. प्रॉब्लम क्या हो रही है आजकल पेरेंट्स? व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इज दैट द पेरेंट्स आर गिविंग लॉन्ग लेक्चर्स टू चिल्ड्रन, राइट? लॉन्ग लेक्चर्स, एंड उसमें से 1/4 या 1.5 भी बच्चे को समझ नहीं आ रहा. ही इज टर्निंग अ डेफ ईयर टू देम. एंड पेरेंट्स आर विद, मैंने ऐसे किया, मेरे साथ ऐसे हुआ, उसके साथ ऐसे हुआ, ये दे क्योंकि एक बच्चे से अच्छी ऑडियंस तो आपको मिल नहीं सकती. डोसाइल है, क्वाइट है, आप पे डिपेंडेंट है. तो आपको जितना बोलना है, आपको ऑडियंस बाहर मिल नहीं रही है, तो यू वॉमिट इट आउट ऑल ऑन योर चाइल्ड. ये हुआ, आई डिड दिस, आई डिड दैट. So he is an audience for you, but don't think whatever you're telling him is all going into it and he's going to follow it. As long as your child, let me make it very clear, as long as your child, age appropriate की बात हो रही है, आपको बात भी age appropriate करनी है बच्चे से. So as long as your child is not sure that whatever is being told to him is going to help him, is going to benefit him, is for his good, he is going to become better by it, till then he will not listen to you. You are only listening to me because you feel that whatever I am saying, somewhere or the other it is clicking. You may be gaining, otherwise you won't be listening. A doctor की prescription, patient is only listens to a doctor because he's sure that the doctor is going to help him out of his problem, right? Similarly, you're a doctor, you're a guide, you're a mentor. So don't think that you're God. Over parenting is, to पीछे पड़ जाना बिल्कुल. जो what you are saying has to be done, what you are saying is correct. Yes, it is a universal fact कि हर बंदा, हर एवरीबडी वट एवर ही सेज इज राइट अकॉर्डिंग टू हिज परसेप्शन. हम कोई गलत थोड़ी बोलेंगे, हमें जो ठीक लगता है हम वो बोलते हैं. अब ये ज़रूरी नहीं है दैट व्हाट आई थिंक इज राइट फॉर द अदर पर्सन. So that is communication, that is bonding. You say it and you leave it, and then let him see what the result is, and then get back to him again with a changed version or anything added or subtracted to whatever you have to say. So parenting is a skill. You have to change, you have to be flexible as parents, you have to be adaptable, and you have to and peer pressure is there, and peer pressure is something which is avoidable, because if a child is comfortable at home, if he feels he can talk to his parents anytime about anything, and they are there ready to share him and stand with him in his time of problem, even if he's made a mistake, they don't rebuke him and tell him bola tha, he will not go to peers, he will not be under peer pressure. But friendship is very important. Let a child be very friendly, and then let him make his decisions. Don't tell him ye pehen, ye kar, ye kha, ye pad, yahan baith, wahan baith. This is what you learn over the years. So today even I feel that I did a lot of over parenting, but then I speak it out to my children, because at that time nobody used to tell me. In the 80s parenting was not such a big issue. There was no social media there. Today there's a lot of bombardment from the social media. There's a lot of information from the outside world coming into your child's head from all spheres. You cannot stop that information. Try as you may. You cannot occlude your child from the bombardment of information he is getting from outside, which is of all types. Good, bad, ugly, everything. Beautiful. But you can empower him and you can only empower him to make the right choices, and you have to leave the choice making capacity to him. You have to let him make his choices to learn to move on in life, right? And the sooner you do it, the better. Even from childhood, let children make their decisions. The scenario today, coming to the scenario today, I want to just take some it's nearly 8:30, just 5 minutes more. Today the scenario is very different. With all these problems the children as such they have with their parents, and parents have with their children, सुनता नहीं है, उठता नहीं है, बोलता नहीं है, गुस्से करता है and all that. Today they are made to be in that house. They are not comfortable with each other. They are claustrophobic in the house settings. Their children are not able, adults तो तब भी थोड़ा सा सोच समझ के they are able to self counsel and talk to themselves and adjust. But children are not able to understand what's happening. They are cooped up. बाहर नहीं जाना, बात नहीं करना, हो क्या रहा है. So talk to them, keep telling them the information about this illness. You have to don't say कि पता है ना, सुन लो ना. Keep telling them that whatever it like. In my every video I take 2 or 3 minutes to tell you about COVID-19. So tell them it's something so bad, deadly, lethal, fatal, and that is why these so many measures are being taken. And secondly, ये जो time आपका साथ में है, you have to understand that your child is irritated. He is not liking being at home, cooped up at home, and the main reason is because he is seeing you not being very happy. तो फर्स्ट थिंग इज बी अ हैप्पी पेरेंट टू हैव अ हैप्पी चाइल्ड. तो अगर आप अपने आप को मेरे पुराने वीडियोस देखो तो बी हेल्दी, बी ईगो फ्री, बी हम्बल, बी हैप्पी, बी पॉजिटिव, ये सारे वीडियोस मेरी आर्काइव्स यूट्यूब में है ऑन कोविड लेसन्स. आई बीन टेकिंग इट राइट सिंस द लास्ट 12 days. I think it's the 12th video today. So be a parent who is a happy person, and seeing you being happy, your child is being happy. So you be happy, innovative, take this time as a treasured time to be with your child, to learn your child, to know your child, and to know yourself. Secondly, mothers are having to do a lot of work क्योंकि maids नहीं है, because that's with me also. No maids are there. I mean, we don't allow them, and we are having to do so many chores additional to what we were doing. So we are tired, but the husbands and the other family members are also there. So everyone should put in their bit, and they should help each other. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि ये कर लो. Whatever you can do, put in, pool in, so that nobody is very tired. So that you can only be happy if you are not very tired. So find और काम को decentralize करिए, share your work, try to be cook and all, but don't be 24 hours in the kitchen and then you say I'm not able to give time to my child, because your child is on online studies now. Online studies ना उसके लिए comfortable है, ना आपके लिए comfortable, and ये teachers के लिए comfortable. It's something so new to us. It's taking time to adjust. So you have to make him understand, talk to him, he needs you more. So a child, your children, they are irritated, they are feeling claustrophobic, they are stressed, but all this will vanish the moment they see happy parents around them, they see positive parents around them. So be positive, of course. And Rajkumar is also with us, welcome. And Vishal is also with us, welcome. So be happy parents and be positive parents, and share and care with them. And I suggest that the males, the fathers, normally fathers never ever have much time to spend with their children. पहले भागा दौड़ी में मेल्स ज़्यादा भी बाहर रहते थे, मदर्स ज़्यादा कोशिश करती थी कि घर का भी करें, बच्चों को भी देखें, वो भी करें. तो अब तो फादर्स भी घर पे है. तो आई सजेस्ट दैट द फादर्स टेक अप दैट कोर ऑफ सिटिंग विद द चाइल्ड इन हिज एजुकेशन एंड helping him go through his online studies, which is so new to them. So make it a happy period, make it another happy exercise, another game you are learning, another time, because these are times you will talk of, you will cherish. And these are the times जब आपका बच्चा देख रहा है कि जब लाइफ में क्राइसिस आती है, प्रॉब्लम आती है, स्ट्रेस आती है, तो उसको कैसे कोप करना है. जैसे एज पेरेंट्स द वे यू कोप विद दीज स्ट्रेसफुल टाइम्स इज द वे योर चाइल्ड विल कोप विद देम. So talk to your child age appropriate. Tell him, be a guide. Tell him, I'm just enumerating. Tell him what you want to tell him very lovingly, very affectionately, and accept whatever the result is. If he hasn't done it, don't yell back at him. Tell him again. And tell him with affection and appreciate if he's done something for you, even if it is 1/4 of what you told him to do. So parenting is a skill. Stressful times are, but they will all go away. And make education a learning, a fun matter for them. Don't say कि क्या होगा. Sit with them, help them, guide them, and be stress free yourself. So I think I have no time to take up any queries, and if you have any queries, you can mail them to me, or you can message them, or write them in the comment box. And I'm so glad that all of you all are here. So I took up this parenting, and if there are any other issues you want me to take up, I'll be taking them up with you. Please write it in the comment box. I'll be there with you again tomorrow at 8 p.m. Take up another important COVID lesson with you. If you need anything special to help you with, I'll tell you. I think I'll take up psychosomatic problems tomorrow, because psychosomatic problems, there are so many of headaches and body aches and colds and coughs and sneezes and flus at home, and people are saying it's all COVID. So it's not, that's not the case. That's more of stressful reactions. So I'll take that up tomorrow. Be with me at 8 p.m. Please share this video. So Dr. Sona here from Dehradun, as neuropsychologist. I'll be signing off. Please go through my archives and my YouTubes and see my previous videos. They'll help you a lot. Thank you so much, friends, and good night.